How to install WinGET? By default, if you have Windows 10, 1709 or later version of Windows, then you have WinGET. But if you don't have, then we can install it from Microsoft Store using command, or we can download and manually install that. First, we're going to install it from Microsoft Store. From Microsoft Store, we're going to use command prompt, right click on Windows logo, then click on Terminal Admin, then yes for user control dialog box, and we're going to type this command and enter. And you will see that Microsoft Store will be open. Using Store, you have to click on Install. For some reason, I can't see this button. Or alternatively, you can search from Microsoft Store like app installer, and you will see this result, and you have to click on install. Your laptop or PC doesn't have Windows Store, then you can use WinGET command like this one and click enter. And it will install and update it from Microsoft Store. As I mentioned here, it is already installed, so it's not gonna doing that. And lastly, you have to go to Microsoft website using our browser. I'm going to use Microsoft is for now, and I'm going to open this URL. You start to download a desktop app installer. I'm not gonna download that, so I'm going to press cancel button. Thank you for watching this